Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn how to set up email notifications in Jenkins. So as you can see here, this is our Windows instance here, and in Windows instance we have successfully installed Jenkins, and now we are going to set up email notification in Jenkins. Okay, so let's start. So here I mentioned some prerequisites. So first of all we need a Jenkins, then we need Gmail account, new account. If possible, then create new account for this. Then you must have two-step verification turn on to your Gmail account. How to do that? I'll show you. After that, app password. So how to do that? Two-step verification and app password. So let's start. So first of all, here you can see here I created new Gmail account, and here turn on my two-step verification. So how to turn on? So let's start. So first of all, click on your Google account and manage your Google account. And here you can say security. Go to the security and then scroll down. And you can see signing into Google two-step verification is on. So here go to this two-step verification. After that it will ask your phone number, enter your phone number, then it will send the OTP, then enter the OTP and submit. After that your two-step verification is on. Now app password. So now we are going to generate app password. So let's start. So click on app password, and here I have already one app password for Jenkins, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, now let's generate app password. So now you don't have any app password as of now. I don't have any app password, so click on select app, and I'm going to select other custom name, and I'm going to generate password for Jenkins. So that's why I'm going to enter name Jenkins and click on generate. And you can see here the password. So this is our password. We will use this. Okay, so now that's it. So this is our password. Now go to the Jenkins. Now the next step is here we need to install some extensions, email extension. So how to install? So let's go to the manage Jenkins, then click on manage plugins, and here click on available plugins and search email. So here you can see email extension template. So I'm going to select and install without restart. So you can see it's success. Okay. Now go to the install plugins and let's check. So search for email. And you can see here we have email extension plugin, and we have just installed this email extension template plugin. Okay. These both are enabled. Okay. Okay. So in install plugins, both are enabled. Okay, that's it. Now go to the dashboard. And now let's set up the email notifications. So for that, go to the manage Jenkins, go to the configure system. Okay, here, scroll down, go to the down. Okay, now here you can see email notification. So we need this, we need to fill this field. So first of all, SMTP server. So our SMTP server is gmail.com. So enter smtp.gmail.com. Okay. After that, click on this advanced, and here you can see click on this use SMTP authentication. And after that it will ask username and password. So our username is our Gmail ID. So my Gmail ID is Shweta. password. Here we need to enter a password. So which password? So the password is here that we generate, app password, right? So we are going to use this password that we generate. So copy the password and paste here. Okay, it's done. Now check it, this use SSL, and after that it will ask SMTP port. So SMTP port number is, our SMTP port number is 465. Okay, wait. Okay, SMTP port number is 465. After that, scroll down, and now let's test configuration by sending test email. So let's test this email. So click on this test and it will ask the test email received that we want to send. So here I'm going to enter my email. Okay, now here let's test. So click on test configuration. So you can say email was successfully sent. So let's check. So go to the inbox and you can see the time just few seconds ago, 0 minutes ago, you can see, and this is the test email sent from Jenkins, and you can see the email ID and to me. Sender is me and the receiver is also me, because this is the test email received. Okay, now scroll up, and here extended email notification. Now we need to fill this field. SMTP server, sorry, here our SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com, and the SMTP port number is 465. After that, here click on advanced and credentials none. So click on add for Jenkins. And after that, here the username is our email ID. Enter your email ID. And the password. So here we are going to use this app password. So copy the password and paste here. After the ID and description. So if you want to enter the description, then you can enter, but I'm going to skip this. Click on add and click on this and select your email. Okay, now select use SSL, then scroll down. So there is no any need to fill this. Scroll down. After that, default triggers. So click on it, and here is only one select failure any, but here I'm going to select always and success, and then now it's done. Now keep as it is, and now click on apply and save. Now that's it. Okay, now it's done. We have this test email, right? Okay, now let's create new project here. Okay, so I'm going to build. So enter your item name. So my item name will be sample, and after that here I'm going to select this freestyle project, right? So this is a central feature of Jenkins. Jenkins will build your project combining any SCM with any build system, and this can be even used for something another than software build. So I'm going to use this freestyle project. Click on OK. After that, general. So I'm going to keep as it is. Scroll down. Otherwise, you can click this post build action. So here in post build action, I'm going to select editable email notification. We need to select this option, editable email notification. After that, here project form, project receipt list. So here I'm going to enter my email that I want this receipt. If you if you want to enter number of emails, then you can enter a number of emails with separate with commas. Here you can see comma separated list of email address that should receive notification for this project. So you can enter number of emails if you want, but you can use this comma for separate. So I'm going to use this. So I want this receipt on this my account. After that, scroll down. So keep as it is and click on apply and save. After that, click on build now. You can see here it's successfully built. So click on it and now click on console output. And in output, you can see here started by user DevOps send, and the sending email trigger always and send email to this Gmail account. It's success. Okay. So go to the account Gmail and you can see in my Gmail, you can see here the mail bit one successful, right? And you can see the timing, right? Just, and you can see a sample, that's our project name, build, and the build one successful, and check the console output in this URL. If you want, then I'm going to click on this URL and you can see here we have reached here, right here. You can see here. So we have successfully set up the email notification in Jenkins. So that's it. So thank you for watching.